Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Avatar when join Zoom meeting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Zoom Update has introduced a new avatar feature that allows you to appear as a virtual characters in meetings and webinars. With these avatars, user can present in the meetings without making an appearance. So how to do it? How to use avatars to join Zoom meeting? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Zoom, and from here, you can go to settings, you can select on settings. From settings, you can go to video and effects. You can select on that. You can just scroll down, or you can just go to avatars. You can choose on avatars that you want to use to join meeting. For example, you want to use this avatar. Now, you can turn on my avatar when join a meeting. And also you can add the virtual background like this or this. You can choose any background that you want to use. Like this maybe. So that is. Now when you join meeting, you will be automatically joined with this avatar. It's very simple, right? So that is how to use avatars to join meeting on Zoom. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!